for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 INFINITI Q70. The luxurious INFINITI Q70 offers plush interior accommodations and a spacious interior cabin. Passengers of the Q70 will feel like they're riding first class all the way. Enhanced agility and safety protection features fill this luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, electronic stability control, security system, heated steering wheel, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.